Okay, the next step is how to build a maquette. To build a maquette totally depends on your object, right? So I'm going to go ahead and take this tape dispenser and pretend that this is my object. So as I look at this object, I have to evaluate what was it like that I've already built. Is this like the cone? Is this like the ball? Is this like the cube? Or is this like the cylinder? So to me, this has sides to it. So this seems more like the cube, so I'm going to build it using the techniques that I used with the cube. Well, I wanted the cube to look like a square, so in this case I have different sides. So I'm just going to take these and I'm going to trace my sides. Now if I had something that was more circular, I would have to measure it and then draw it out. So if I traced So I would trace every single side, and then the trick would be I would probably need 2 of each of these. Using my titanium scissors, I can cut this out. It's very important with the titanium scissors that you don't ever use them on tape. The tape will ruin the blades, or to cut through like any sort of adhesive. Make sure you're only using them on a paper product. And then using either masking tape or clear tape of some kind, all I have to do is attach these together. Now, it becomes trickier to do this inside piece, right? Because this inside piece, I'm going to have to flip up and bend around here. But you will notice, just through experimentation, I found out that this inside piece is actually the exact same as this bottom piece, so I can just trace this and cut it. But otherwise, I would probably have to cut something and I would have to do what we call cut to fit. So I would have to fit it as I go. How you do that is you just attach tape here, and then using one hand on the bottom and one hand on the bottom here, you attach and then you fold over using your thumbs. And as you go, you force your paper to move, and that will cause it to curve. And then cut to fit means that when I was done, I would just cut off whatever stuck out or wasn't needed.